Hello class. Today we're going to learn about desk organization. Class, who can tell me, what did we learn about yesterday? Sarah. Organizing your notebook. You're right, Sarah. Great job. Like I said, today we will learn about how to organize our desks. Class, who can tell me, why is it important to clean our desks? Gabe. Right, so you can find things fast and not waste time. Why would we not want to waste time? Jackie. Right, we don't want to waste time because we want to be efficient so we can get our homework done. Second, stuff won't fall out of our desks. If stuff's falling out of our desk on our floor, it will make a mess. And tell me, will it be safe for our class? No, you're right, class. It won't be safe for us if we have a lot of things on our floor. So class, how should you organize your desk? We're going to look at this instructions here for how we are going to organize our desk. First, I want you to take everything out of your desk and put it on top of your desk. Now, you should sort through everything and throw away your trash. If you have wrappers or wadded up pieces of paper, any of that, I want that to go in the trash. Then I want you to notice your neighbor. Look at your partner. Are their desks empty and trash all gone? If not, what can we do to help them? Next, I want you to place all of your loose papers in the correct folder or divider inside your notebook. Again, I want you to notice your neighbor like we learned before and make sure their desks are empty and they're putting their stuff in the right folder. Next, put all small items from your desk like erasers, glue, calculators, crayons, your colored pencils, pens, pencils, anything little that you might have that you brought from home, all of that needs to go inside your pencil box. Class, is there any questions now that we're halfway through, about 4 questions into organizing your desk? Nope, you all understand? Great, I'll continue on. Next, group all of your things together. For example, if you have all of your notebooks, put all of your notebooks in one spot. Put all of your class books in one spot. Put your reading materials in another spot. Make sure that everything is all together. Again, notice your neighbor. Are they putting all things together? Next, put all your books together in your desk along one side of the shelf. So what I want you to do is have all your folders, notebooks, and books on one side of your desk, leaving a blank space on the right side of your desk for your small thing like pencil box, pencils, anything you brought from home, your lunch, things like that. Again, make sure you notice your neighbor. Next, I want you to place your notebook, folders, and spiral notebooks in a stack on the other side. Previously I told you maybe we could put all of our notebooks and books on one side and leave room for our pencil box. I'm going to leave it up to you as long as your desk is organized if you put your notebooks underneath your pencil box or if you leave all your books on the right side. Is there any questions? Nope? Okay, great class. So finally we're going to put the small box in front of the books inside your desk. So therefore, we're going to have 3 very neat piles of notebooks, books, and a pencil box. Is there any questions on how we do that? Nope? Great. Class, looking at this page, and I realize it's a little bit blurry, but who can tell me, is this look like something I would want to see in my classroom? No, that's a messy desk. I would like our desk to look like the neat desk on the right side here. Let's strive to have our desk be neat all year long. So I'm going to think about some computer terms when I refer to your desk, like I did when I talked about our notebook organization. So the 3 terms that we used with our notebooks were file, retrieve, and clean, right? So when we refer to our desks, you'll file the items in your desk, you'll retrieve items from your desk, you will also clean your desk. So that's going to be the 3 terms that I will use when we refer to not only organizing our notebooks, but organizing our desks. Who can help me hand out this sheet of paper? Kaden, thanks for helping me hand out these papers. This is the sheet of paper that we will use in the future. You can see there's a checklist here. When we clean our desks, I want to make sure we have a check mark in each one of these boxes. That means all of our trash has been thrown out, our loose papers are filed behind the right subject divider in your notebook, books are stacked neatly on top of each other, folders and notebooks are neatly stacked on top of each other, all your small items like your pens, glue sticks, crayons, markers are all inside that small box, and then the small object box is in front of your books, easily accessible inside your desk. Are there any questions on that, class? Right, so we'll make sure we check all this off when we do a desk cleaning. However, class, I am going to do random desk checks throughout the year, and if I see that your desk is clean when we have not done our normal monthly desk cleaning, you are going to get a Clean Desk Award. It will have something attached to it like 5 minutes of free iPad time or a small piece of candy, something to reward you to show you that I really like that you're keeping your desk clean throughout the whole school year. Finally, let's review what we learned today. Chad, what did we learn today? We learned how to clean our desks. You're right. Thanks for that answer. Jack, what else did we learn today? We learned about computer terms. Right. What are the 3 computer terms we learned? Annie. That's a great job, Annie. We learned about file, retrieve, and clean. Finally, we learned about the Clean Desk Award. If I find out that you have a clean desk throughout the year, you may earn your Clean Desk Award. Is there any questions? As long as there's no questions, let's get to work on cleaning out our desks. And remember, notice your neighbor.